Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 25th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Even if I do talk about trade strategies or trade plans or mention numbers, they're not trade recommendations. Please follow your own plan, follow your own strategies to get yourself into the market, out of the market, go long or go short, ever how you may be trading based on your plans and your strategies. Again, let's get over here to these charts and see what's been happening in this market this past week. Again, I see green, 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 green. That's good for me since I'm a bullish type trader. But let's zoom on down here to this quarterly chart and see what's happening. Again, on the quarterly chart, as we can see, we're finally breaking above that 350 level again. The question is, can we get above 360? And will we make all-time highs? Well, first of all, will we break the yearly high? And all this was just 356 right there, 356.75, thereabouts. And then by the end of the year, December, can we actually make all-time highs on the Dow? We have to kind of like wait and see. Everything is kind of like looking good. I got a target down here of 360. Again, at first I wasn't thinking that we would break it, but we might break it. This is a level that I was looking at one time and still looking at it. But let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, we can see that we had a very, very strong month. This month of November, which is just about over, one more week here. We are above the 10, so we are bullish, and all. That's what I'm saying. I definitely can see right now we're at we're just above an R1 level on these quarterly pivots that you see. And can we reach, see, that's why, again, I think we can first week of December, maybe even next week before the end of November, we can make yearly highs. Definitely, I don't see us making all-time highs until the month of December if we're going to reach that point. Because right now we have a little bit more room to this R2 level, and I don't think we're going to make it that far in 1 week, but we can make it that far in 1 week, where we make yearly highs. And that's what I see here on the monthly chart. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, as you can see, we've had quite a few good strong weeks here coming off that bottom that we came off of. And we're getting right into a supply a little, so you can see the supply really well here on this weekly chart. So this is the area where it stopped at, and this is the area where it's going to have to gap above. But coming up next week on these monthly pivots, I can see that I'm going to be opening up above pivot. So I kind of expect it to go higher. And how much higher? I expect it to go at least to 361 and all. So making it to 361, let me do something here. 361 will get us to yearly highs, and that's what I see. So that's why I'm kind of like saying, okay, yes, maybe not by the end of the week, but definitely by the end of the first week of December, we can definitely be at yearly highs and all. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily noise and see what we see there and wrap this on up. On the daily noise, we can see this market has been making some gaps here on the Dow and all. So and the way it gap, the Dow is the only one that didn't stay inside that Monday candle and all. And well, it's not the only one. The other ones, some of the other ones did break up a little bit higher, but nothing moved like the Dow did, this past on this holiday week and all. So that's why I'm seeing, again, even here on the Dow on the weekly pivots and all, I see the Dow opening up above pivot, and one of my rules is to stay above pivot. And this will get us to 355, 357. We need to get above that 360 something level. Let's look at that again in order to make that's going to be close. If we get to an R2 level, we're going to be at all-time highs. I mean yearly highs. Let me come out all-time highs, yearly highs, and that's possible. That is possible to happen here. Maybe next week. We have to kind of like wait and see. But that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.